How to replace a 2019 Ford Fusion 5-button smart key remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Alright, we're going to change the battery out here on our Ford Fusion remote. With this task here, it's easy. You need a flat tip screwdriver. Your emergency key release is right here. If your key ring's attached right here, doesn't matter. You can leave it on, take it off. Just leave it on, in my opinion. Go ahead and pull emergency blade set to the side. Emergency blade came out here, and here's where you want to put your flat tip screwdriver. Put it in there and just twist it. And when you twist it, you notice the back cover comes up. When it does, lift up on the back cover. From the back forward, you got that little tab right here. Don't want to break it. Notice the battery wants to come out. That's a 2450 battery. Easy peasy. Take your new battery, put it in. You notice I dropped it in, angled that way. That's how you want to do it. Now you notice when I push down, it doesn't want to lock in. Don't worry. This cover has these pieces right here. It'll hold it in and line everything up. Remember that little tab? Slide that in first, like so. Squeeze, and you'll hear it snap together. There you go. You've changed the battery out. If you would, give me a like, thumbs up. Thanks for watching.